তোমার
Assalamu alaikum. I'm Borsha. My student ID is 182152133. So today we are going to present our presentation, and the topic name of our presentation is midpoint circle algorithm. So welcome to our presentation. And here you can see the name and ID of our team members. So now start a basic question, that is what is midpoint circle algorithm? So in computer graphics, the midpoint circle algorithm is an algorithm that is basically used to determine the points needed for rasterizing a circle. So then a normal question is arised that why do we use midpoint algorithms? So we use midpoint algorithms to help us calculate the complete perimeter points of a circle for the first octant. And for by using these midpoint algorithms, we can quickly find and calculate the points of other octants with the help of the first octant points. So here we can see that a figure is shown that for is midpoint circle algorithm. So we can see basically here four quadrant, and for the first quadrant we can see all the values of x comma y will be positive, and for the second quadrant here we can see that x comma y will be according to negative and positive, and third quadrant value of x comma y will be negative, and all will be the negative values. And here we have one more thing, that is octant. So that means if we divide a quadrant into two parts, then we will get two quadrants from a quadrant. So here we have 8 octants in this circle. So for the first octant we can see that we have x comma y, but if we look it closely, then we can see that in the second octant here the value is turned into y comma x. So that's how all the process works. You can see that, and that's anti-clockwise process. So that's all from my side, and now I would like to invite my next group member, Sanjida Joy, to continue the next slide. Thank you.
Thank you, Nasrin Akter Borsha. My name is Sanzida Akter and my ID is 182152144. Now I will discuss about the algorithm of midpoint circle drawing, and I will also discuss discuss about the and I will also explain an example of midpoint circle drawing algorithm. Here we can see the algorithm of midpoint circle drawing. There have 6 steps in this algorithm. So in step number one, first of all, we have to assign starting point, that is x naught, and a radius point, that is y naught. In step number two, we have to calculate the value of initial decision parameter p naught. Here p naught equals to 1 minus r. In step number 3, suppose the current point is xk, yk is the next, and the next point is yk naught and xk naught. There have two cases. In case number 1, if the value of p is less than 0, then p equals to p plus 2x plus 3, and the x value will increase one time and the y value will remain the same. In case number 2, if the value of p is greater than or equal 0, then p equals to p plus 2x minus y plus 5, and the value of x will increase one time and the value of y will decrease one time. Next, in step number 4, if the given center point x naught and y naught is not 0 0, then do the following and plot the point. X plot equals to xc plus x naught, y plot equals to yc plus y naught. Here xc and yc denotes the current value of x and y coordinates. In step number 5, keep repeating step 3 and step 4 until x plot greater than equal y plot. And step number 6, step 5 generates all the points for one octant. Next, here is the here is the example of midpoint circle algorithm. Here we can see there has a center point that is x, that is 4 and minus 4, and radius value 10. So x naught and y naught equals to 4 and minus 4, and radius is 10. So p naught equals to 1 minus r, so p naught equals to minus 9. Here we can see p value is less than 0. So number 1 cases is suitable for this problem. So here new p value is p plus 2x plus 3, and x value will increase one time and y value will remain the same. Next, here here x k plus 1 and y k plus 1 is the new value of x and y. If we add the initial value with the new value of x and y, then we can get the x plot and y plot. following the Following the above algorithm, we can solve this problem in this way, and these are all points are coordinate 1. That's all my presentation. Now our another teammate Mustafizur Rahman will discuss the remain topic. Thank you.
Thanks, Joy. Uh, my name is Mustafizur Rahman, and my ID is 182152135. Our topic is all about midpoint circle algorithm, and my team member Borsha and Joy already discussed the topic elaborately. And I want to talk about the advantages and disadvantages of the topic. So here we go. First of all, the advantages. It is a powerful and efficient algorithm, obviously. And the second is it is easy to implement from the programmer's perspective. And finally, this algorithm is used to generate curves on the raster displays. Then the disadvantages. First of all, the accuracy. Accuracy of the generating points is an issue in this algorithm, and then the circle generated by this algorithm is not so smooth, and then this algorithm is time consuming. That's all from me, and that's all for my presentation. Thanks a lot.